Come back to the channel. First of all, I'm really sorry for my bad voice. First of all, just log into your with cloud credentials and open the VM instance. Now click on create instance. And one more thing, guys, this lab is quite lengthy, and one you had to, if you are using Windows, you can use your notepad, and or you can use your online notepad also. Okay, so just copy the name and replace here, and from here to choose advanced standard one and click on deploy container. Now copy this thing and paste over here, click on select. Now scroll down a little bit and copy this network tag. Oh, nice, like this. And I know I'm speaking slowly because of my cough, so please bear with that. So yeah, so it must look like this. So we have done all the things, and just scroll down a little bit and click on create. For if the create button is not enabled for you, just click on refresh and do the whole thing again. Okay, now click on create. Meanwhile, what will we do? Online notepad, open this thing, and from the activate your cloud shell. So we must done with this task. So yeah, done. Hide this thing, hide this thing. So our first VM has created. Now click on SSH. From here copy this thing, and let me zoom in for you. Can I do that? Yes. Okay, so done. Okay, now what we have to do, now copy this command, go to your notepad and paste over here. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, so we have to change the image name, so copy this name and replace over here. Okay, like this. Now copy this command and paste over here. Okay, okay, let me just refresh the page. Okay, now it's the command is properly loaded. I think I just messed up with the command. Okay, let me try again. Copy the name and replace here. Copy this. So yeah, it's done. I think I just missed something. Give extra space or like that. Okay, now copy this thing, paste over here. Done. Let me just click on run this thing. Done. So it will be done in few seconds. Now just come over here, search for firewall, and open this in new tab. Click on create firewall, copy this name replace over here, copy this tag, target tag, scroll down a little bit, replace over here, and make sure you hit enter. Okay, now copy this thing, done. Click on TCP 9042 9042 and hit create. So done. Now click on this thing. So yeah, we are done with that. Now copy this command, go to your cloud shell and run over here. Let me zoom in for you. Yeah, so again copy this thing, go to your notepad. Okay, and do one thing, yeah, like this, and from your VM instance copy the external IP of Apache VM and replace over here like this. Now copy this thing, come over here and paste. So wait for few seconds, and meanwhile copy this command and just wait. So it's done. So we have already copied this command. Go to our SSH and run over here. So you can see count is 100. So if we just click on this thing, we will get a score. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to again rerun the command. So just copy this command. Okay, come over here and again run the same command. This both the commands are exactly same. So yeah, just we have to redo both the commands. Wait for a few seconds, like 100 seconds. So it's about to done. Yeah, it's done. Now go to SSH again, so you can see count is 200. I just rerun this command again, and yeah, done. So now we don't need of this SSH, so I'm closing this tab. Okay, no need of firewall, so close this tab also. Now we have to create another VM. So copy the name like this, replace over here, and one standard one. Click on deploy container for the image, copy this and paste over here, copy this thing and click on add variable and paste. Make sure you do not include extra space, okay, otherwise you will get unnecessary error. Okay, copy this and paste over here. Now click on add volume, directory /config, host name must be this, and it's read and write. Done. Select. Okay, now in advanced option go to networking. In the networking tab, paste this thing and hit enter. So done everything. Now click on create. So for now, all these tasks are quite easy, but we have to just pay attention while doing. Now from onwards it will be quite complicated. Okay, so just click on SSH. It will take few seconds to establish a connection. So just copy the name, and paste over here like this. So you can see the name is Seren Jepsen. So just wait, the process is continuing in the background, so just wait for that. You can see the name will change in. Okay, so the name must look like this, KLT server, like this. Okay, now what we have to do, copy this command, come over here, paste this. Okay, and from here copy the name and replace over here like this. Okay, copy this thing, and here we have to paste. Done. Now look carefully. If I just copy this command and paste over here, so I will get sudo nano command not found. So this time I will use Vim editor. If you know how to use that editor, okay, that will be great. I will show you how to edit the files and do everything. So just type sudo, okay, then type Vim, WVIM space, copy this path and paste over here like this. Okay, now hit enter. So you will get all this content of that file. So just scroll down little bit, slowly, and you can see. Okay, just, yeah, you can see here authentication options, all this thing. So now I'm using my up arrow and down arrow for navigate. So I am here right now. Now if for editing any file in the Vim editor, we have to first of all press I button of keyboard. So I'm pressing I. So you can see in the bottom I got one option, insert. So now I can make changes. So I'm just removing this hash, okay, and this extra space. Okay, remove all the hashes from here. Okay, so it's done. Now just go here and make this false into true like this. Okay, so we have done all the changes. Now how to save this file? First of all, press escape button of keyboard. Okay, so you can see the insert option has gone. Now press colon symbol, like here you can see bottom colon, then WQ. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so all the files has updated accordingly. Now just copy this thing from here to here like this, paste over here, give extra space and container name like this, and it will take few seconds, so do not worry about that. So it's done. Now if I just click on check my progress button, it will give, I guess it must be give me error like this, please enable the authentication data syntax interval. Do not worry about that. If you have edit, let me just show you. If I just go here and scroll down a little bit, okay, so you can see like I have make all the necessary changes which show in the lab instruction page. So no worries about that. Okay, just continue next task. It will update soon. Okay, so now we have done. Let me just again click on check my progress. So yeah, no need to worry about that. It will update the score automatically. So just copy this thing, go to your notepad and paste that thing. Now copy the name and paste over here like this. Okay, copy the name and paste over here like this. Now copy this thing, come over here and paste. So we are in server. Now run this command. We will get one error. It's already mentioned in the lab also. So now just copy this thing, paste over here, then copy this thing, paste over here, and similarly this thing also. And you can see we have got 70. So if I just click on check my progress, for the about task we will get a score. So as I told you, it will take time to update a score, so do not worry about that. Now click on check my progress, we will get a score for sure. Okay, now what we have to do, so copy this thing, go to your notepad and paste over here, and please pay attention. We have to copy the external IP of DSE instance. So yeah, this is the instance. Copy this external IP, replace over here like this, and copy this thing, come over here and paste. Now just wait for 100 seconds. So it's done now. Now go to your SSH. From here copy this command and run over here. So count is 100. So click on done. Now this thing is quite difficult or complicated. So what we have to do, first of all type exit. Okay, so now we are in the DSC server. Okay, let me just clear all the things. Okay, now copy this thing, paste over here, copy this, paste over here, copy this and paste over here. Okay, now please pay attention. So what is it? So what we have to do, copy this thing, type cd space and paste. Okay, so we are in now the version ts bulk version. Now cd bin. Do not forget any small little commands, otherwise you will get unnecessary error, guys. Okay, so what in which directory we are, ds bulk version name /bin. Okay, make sure you are in the correct directory also. Let me clear so you can see clearly like this. Okay, now run this command pwd. So we will get the path. Okay, now how to edit the path. So copy this thing, come over here, just hit just paste that command. From here copy this path like this, come over here and replace the path like this. Okay, we have done. Copy this, paste over here. Done. Now if I just run this command, we will get a version also. Done. Now I run this command. So we are in server. Now copy this command, go to your notepad. Okay, and now we have to use external IP of Apache version VM. Okay, so come over here, copy the Apache version, Apache VM external IP, and replace over here like this. Now copy this thing and paste over here. Now no need to run this command, run the 10th command, copy this thing, come over here, and let me just clear all the thing. And now we have to copy the external IP of DSE server. Copy this, paste over here, and like this. So copy this thing also. So the command, first command has done. Run second command. Okay, it will, this command also take few seconds, so just wait for that. So it's done. Now paste that command, it will rerun the query, all the queries, and reconnect. And lastly, copy this command and paste. Okay, so you can see here, like this command is not properly loaded, so I got the unnecessary error, connection error. So this might be happen with you. If you get unnecessary error, so just check out that command, copy this thing, first of all refresh the page, and again search for that. So let me we are on task 8. So if I just come over here, so you can see the one alphabet A was not loaded properly, so that's why I got this kind of error. So this kind of thing might also happen with you. So if you get like I had done all the things correctly, but why I'm getting this kind of error, so just please check the command. Okay, so done, and now just run this command. Done. 300, count is 300. And if I just click on check my progress, and we already got a full score. So I hope you like the video, guys. I know I didn't speak loudly because of my voice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.